This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Still paying rent? Stop now. Per seller, roof and HVAC replaced 2017, extra concrete added for 2-car driveway. Convenient to Robins AFB and shopping, privacy fenced backyard, storage room on back of house, large living room plus sunroom office, extra large laundry room, master bedroom west large walk-in closet and walk-in shower. Please excuse boxes etc. in process of moving.